What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. Should you continue training if you have an injury? One of my guys got hurt the other day and he said, yo, coach, should I just tough it out, show up anyway, spar, whatever? So every situation is obviously different. It's a case-by-case thing. But if you're not hospitalized or you don't have some wild contagious disease that's going to kill everybody in the gym, I say show up anyway and work around it without prolonging the healing process or re-injuring yourself. Do whatever you can do to work around it. And even if you really can't do much, maybe you could just work the corners and then you learn a little bit more about the other side of the game. And it's almost like when one of your senses gets impaired and the other ones start to accentuate the other ones and they start to develop more. It's a win-win, you know, because there's still no days off. You're still in the mix and, you know, you're still able to show up and be productive. And when you get back in the ring, I can guarantee you're going to have a more determined approach and you're going to probably learn a lot about the things you probably were overlooking and neglecting. So anyway, continue training. Like I said, man, it's no days off. Even if you couldn't even leave your house, you should still be studying your sparring videos, watching, you know, other people training and other people fighting and just taking notes, man. You can still stay engaged, man. So anyway, continue going forward. There's never going to be an excuse to completely drop the ball. You know what I mean? This is what we do. If you're really into this, it's a lifestyle. And that's the end of the story. So hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share, hit that notification bell. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Online course is amazing. I'm loving the response from the people. I put the link in the description. Tell me about your injuries. Tell me what you did about it. I'd like to hear you guys' stories. Put that in the comment section. Till the next time we up out of here. Out.